Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT Preparation Merit or Excellence questions. This is question 36 in the series. So today's question is to do with exponentials, and this is the question we're going to look at. Now, I know for a fact that we haven't actually done a question like this before, so take a moment to pause the video and see if you can actually have a go at this. Yeah, it is not a question that I've actually done before, so it is something new that I've found in the internet looking for questions for you guys. Okay, so I'm assuming you've kind of had a go at it, at least rewrite 8 and 16 as 2 to the power of something, because that's our first step. So basically we've got 2 to the power of x squared, so I'm going to leave that 2 to the power of x squared as it is. But the 8, I know that 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So I'm going to replace 8 with 2 to the power of 3, and of course that's actually 8 to the power of x. All this is equal to 16. Now 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So then I can rewrite it like this, 2 to the power of 4. So at this point, my first step would be to sort out the denominator there. So what I will end up with is 2x squared divided by 2 to the power of 3x. And that's equal to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so the next step then would be to combine the numerator and denominator together, because if you remember, when you have the same basis and you're dividing the numbers, the powers actually get subtracted. So I can rewrite this as 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Okay, I'm hoping you're with me so far in this one. Now the next thing is, from this point, what we can actually say is that this blue box is equal to this little blue box, because you got 2 to the power of something equals 2 to the power of something else. That means both of the powers should be equal to each other. So then what we can say is x squared minus 3x is equal to 4. Now what you should be seeing at this point, that you're actually dealing with a quadratic. So we need to bring the 4 to the left hand side. So it'll become x squared minus 3x. When the 4 comes to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4. And now that's equal to 0. So going up here, we have x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So what we need to do is factorize this quadratic. When we factorize this, we're looking for two numbers that multiply to minus 4 and add to minus 3. So we'll have negative 4 and plus 1. So at this point, what you can then say is therefore x minus 4 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0. So in the first situation, x is equal to 4, and in the second situation, x is equal to negative 1. So the answer for this particular question, we can say that x is equal to positive 4 or negative 1. You can actually try this out, guys, to see if it actually works out, but I would not expect you to remember what 8 to the power of 4 is. But yeah, I mean, you can actually try it out with like take the 4 and negative 1 and actually substitute it in this equation and see if it actually works out as well. Alright guys, that's basically it for this little short video. Now the next question, I'm going to be looking at exponentials again. And it should be up later on today. Cool, that's it for this session, guys. Any questions, pop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.